Being a sushi lover, I always felt that I was paying enormous amount at restaurant just for those rice-wrapped bowls before I started making them myself at home. After all, why pay someone else when you can make sushi yourself in a much more affordable way at home with these best sushi making kits? In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Sushi Maker Kit. So let's get started. Number 5. BAMBOOMN Deluxe Sushi Making Kit. BAMBOOMN is a deluxe sushi making kit. Although this kit is packed in an unattractive plastic bag, these tools are made from matchstick rods of bamboo. Because of premium material and non-chemicals, this kit will bring you comfortable feelings when using it. Therefore, it can be thoroughly used for your children. With rice paddle and rice, the spreader will prevent your hand from sticking. This tool is ideal for complex and simple sushi types. For instance, although there are many ingredients needed for making dragon roll sushi, this rolling mat can still ensure that the rolling process is effortless. This kit includes a compartment soy sauce dish instead of chopsticks. Like other bamboo sushi making kits, you have to wash it by hand and keep it away from fire and rub this product with food oil to maintain its appearance. Number 4. Easy Sushi 3.5 cm Roller. If you want to prepare your sushi super fast and perfect, Easy Sushi 8507 is definitely the best option out there. You will love its functionality and the convenient design. This kit was built in France, and that is why it has that simple design. Its use is food-grade plastic, and you can also prepare other food items. Inside the kit you will find a roller along with a traction sheet. This roller is 3.5 cm in diameter and 24 cm in length, which gives the sushi pieces the standard size. The roller is dishwasher safe and is pretty easy to clean. The traction sheet use is reusable and can be easily replaced whenever you want. Make sure you clean it using a non-abrasive cleaning product. You can also use this kit to prepare other food items like rice paper, tortillas, crepes, and some traditional kind of wraps. Number 3. Sushi Bazooka by SUSHEDO. Sushi Bazooka by SUSHEDO is one of the most popular kits on the market. It makes making sushi creative and entertaining for you. The kit has only 3 major pieces, but they are enough to prepare a delicious and perfect sushi for you. The kit contains a sushi tube, plunger, and the end cap. All the pieces create a pretty stylish design. It has a slick flimsy plastic constructions. I don't like the hinges, they are hard and makes it difficult for you to close the kit. Its tube is the main piece that you will use to place the sushi rolls. This kit requires you to put large amount of rice or stuffing to make it work, and may not be the best option if you love small sushi pieces. Number 2. All-in-one Sushi Bazooka Maker. For beginners, the all-in-one Sushi Bazooka Maker is the best kit to have. It comes with everything that you need to make the most delicious sushi at home. Inside the kit you will find sushi bazooka, bamboo mat, knife, spreader, chopsticks pairs, holder, spatula, and avocado slicer. This kit is made out of high-quality bamboo and food-grade plastic material that will last for long. The plastic used is BPA-free and also non-toxic. The kit is extremely easy to use and wash. Even the bamboo mat's easy to wash like a pro after making your favorite sushi recipes. All you need to do is buy the ingredient, mix them up and start making your sushi rolls using the Bazooka kit. It's fun and easy. Number 1. Aya Sushi Making Kit. Aya is a Japanese brand and manufactures one of the best sushi makers. This beautiful kit brings you the traditional Japanese sushi making to your kitchen. You don't need any culinary skills to use this kit. You will receive a total of 11 pieces that are of different sizes and shapes. Some are round, triangle, square, heart-shaped, etc. This lets you create your sushi rolls in different ways and be creative with your cooking. This Sushi Maker Kit is very easy to use and is safe for adults and kids as well. You'll also receive a non-stick rice spreader inside the kit that helps to maintain the quality of the sushi and keeps it fresh for long. There is a chef knife as well which you can use to easily slice your sushi into equal pieces. Since the kit is very smooth, this makes it easier for you to wash it. It is BPA free and approved by the FDA. That was our list of the top 5 best Sushi Maker Kit just for you.